Rigid plastic, also known as hard plastic, are widely used in the manufacturing industry as well as in everyday life. Rigid plastics provide better protection for goods than flexible packaging. The most common application for rigid plastic are plastic chairs, toys, baskets, trash cans, pipes, bottles, and other items. Repro-Direct is a recycling machine designed for processing rigid plastic efficiently. This model does not have a compactor or shredder. You can feed the rigid regrinds directly into this machine through a hopper. This system ensures a faster and easier process compared to other recycling systems. The screw conveyor increases the efficiency of feeding the rigid plastic materials into the extruder, and it provides stable feeding to ensure that the materials are constantly sent into the extrusion process. If you have a lot of rigid plastic that you need to recycle, contact POLYSTAR for the solution.